Welcome to another video. Today we are looking at the smartphone mount F or outdoor. It's a phone mount for bicycle or motorbike, and it comes with a sticker which you can stick on the back of your phone case so that you can easily clip the phone directly onto the phone holder on your bicycle or motorbike. It has several advantages that is quicker than a standard phone holder, and the big advantage I think is when you have a phone holder like this on your bicycle or mountain bike, it won't cover the corners or the bottom or the top of your phone screen like with other types of phone holders, which grab the corners of the phone and might obfuscate some parts of the display that you cannot see, or is difficult to scroll or touch the screen. With this, you have the whole screen available as if it doesn't have any holder on, as you can see on the picture over here. And it also has like a quick release way, so you just turn the phone into the holder with the sticker on the case, and it will lock automatically. And to unlock, I assume you just press on the lever, then it will unlock. So this is, I believe, a copy of original type holder, the one who made the first one like this. So this is a copy, but the advantage is a lot cheaper than the original one, as you can see from the packaging. So let's open it. Oh, they even come with the tool to attach everything. The plastic, or they even include these place holders depending on the size of your handle. There are two of them, one thicker one and one thinner one. And this is the sticker which you can stick on the back of your phone case. And this is the actual holder. It has a bit of weight to it, so it seems solid. I believe it's strong enough to hold a big phone. And it seems quite well made. Probably not the same as the original, but it's good enough. This you can get a lot cheaper than the original. And this, to put it on, you put it a bit slightly to the side, and then you can just twist it. But I don't know which way you need to twist it. So they are all the same size, so it should work. But looks different on the picture, I think. Oh, maybe I have to push it down first and then turn it. Oh yeah, that's how it works. So you push this down to take it off and to put it on. So now it's quite solid, it's stuck. Then to take it off, just push this down and twist it, and then it's off. Oh, you can, it will, if you push with from the top with enough force, you don't even have to push this. It's mainly for to release it. Oh, and this one already placeholder inside, which I can take out with this. Yeah, and they're all the same size, luckily. So this you also can turn depending on the position you want to have. So this is how it looks like when you attach the phone holder on the bicycle steering, and you get several rubber spacers. Actually, you get 3 spacers in different sizes, but unfortunately none fit exactly like the size I have. But instead I added a few layers of tape and the medium-sized rubber spacer, and now it fits. And the key for the screws is included in the box of the holder. This is the piece which gets glued on your phone case with you just have to peel off the paper and then you can just stick on it, and it's quite sturdy. This is how it looks when you put on the phone holder. You just put it on sideways and press a bit, and then you twist to the left, and then it's already fixed. And to release it, you just push down here, turn to the right, and then take it off. So it needs some getting used to put it on quickly, as you have to put it on the exact position. But after some practice, I think you can do it fairly quickly to put it on and take it off again. So that was the unboxing of the quick release phone holder. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.